Alright, by now we pretty much know everything there is to know about the Insta360 X5. Specs, features, you name it, it's all out there. From major camera upgrades to smart new features and some long overdue fixes, Insta360 really went all in this time. I'll dive into the standout stuff in a second, but trust me, some of these changes are gonna make X4 owners a little jealous. Big shout out to Igor Bogdanov for leaking all the juicy details that dropped this thing early. Now let's talk about the big one. Swapping out lenses. The new Insta360 X5 finally lets you replace the lenses yourself. No more sending it in, no pricey repairs. Honestly, it's one of those features that makes you wonder why it wasn't there from the start. They've also made the lens glass tougher and more scratch resistant this time around, so even if you're rough with your gear, it's built to take a little more abuse than the X4 ever could. Pair that with the X5's improved waterproofing, it can now handle 15 meters deep without a case, and this thing's clearly built for people who don't baby their cameras, but that's just the beginning of the upgrades. They crammed in a 1/1.2 8-inch sensor, which is a noticeable jump from the X4's half-inch setup. That means brighter, clearer photos with less noise, especially in low light. In daylight, they're similar, but at night or in tricky lighting, the bigger sensor really shines. And in that teaser video, you've seen how good those night shots look. This is partly because of the sensor and something called PureVideo mode, which is exclusive to the X5. It's designed for low light video, and honestly, it makes night shooting a whole lot better. PureVideo utilizes a powerful AI chip to work its magic, and that brings us to the new triple AI chip, supposedly 140% faster than the X4's processor. HDR also got a major glow up. The X5 can now shoot 5.7K at 60 FPS in active HDR, while the X4 is probably capped at 30. So if you're filming sunsets, bright skies, or tricky lighting scenes, you'll get much smoother, cleaner results with the X5. Speaking of frame rates, if you're into slow-mo, you're going to love this. The X5 now hits 120 FPS at 4K 360 degree, while the X4 tops out at 100. Not a huge leap, but definitely noticeable if you love those buttery slow shots. Battery life? There's a little bump. 88 minutes of 8K shooting on the X5 versus 75 on the X4. And if you need serious longevity, there's an endurance mode now. You can get up to 185 minutes at 5.7K 24 FPS. That's exclusive to the X5. Oh, and it charges faster too. 20 minutes to hit 80%, while the X4 takes 38. Almost double the speed. Audio's been leveled up too. The X5 comes with a hardware wind guard, voice enhancement, and 360 degree capture. A few other nice tweaks: they've added a magnetic quick release mount for easier accessory swaps on the fly, and there's a new twist to shoot gesture control, one of those little features you didn't realize you needed until it makes your life a whole lot easier. Sure, the video bitrate drops a little to 180 Mbps compared to the X4's 200, but with that new sensor and faster chip, the image quality should still come out on top. And yeah, it's $50 more than the X4, but honestly, with everything Insta360 has packed into the X5, it feels totally worth it. Share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.